All right, now that we got the inside of the truck cleaned out, get everything blown up from under the dashboard, all the little hair and stuff blown away. Vacuumed it, wiped it down real good. I just really can't ask for nothing better. But went by the local PPG paint store, car color, and got the self etch and the 1K primer. And I'm gonna lay this down as a tack coat, and then I'm gonna come back with another coat about 5 or 6 minutes later, and go ahead and lay it down. And then when that dry, I'm gonna just come back over this, just with some regular white, nothing special. It's gonna have a carpet or a tile or whatever I'm gonna do. It's gonna have some on top of it, so I'm not really worried about that. So we'll see how it goes.
Whoa, we not the same. She be like, one day when you gon' change. I can't, cause I'm just laughing to the bank. I'm doing a dash. Baby mama say I need to slow down, cause lately I'm moving too fast. Self check out fast lane, I had to go get my own bag. Got it out the mud, I ain't need no help. I'm sorry, I brag. Fell in love with the cash. I don't know it's
And these cans, they pretty much spot on with their fan pattern or how they spray out. So I ain't really worried about taping nothing off right now. Plus, there ain't nothing in here that I'm trying to protect. Like I gotta get new seals and stuff. We'll get new airlines. So it wouldn't matter. $30, and I bet you they only give you that much can. I mean, of paint. All right. So while I let this it's primer tack up. Just gonna sit here for a second. I need to go ahead and fix my airline for my seat. Go ahead and plug that off for the new fitting. But I think my fittings. Smart man would have put them in here. Smart man. This right here's a crush sleeve fitting. I stick the air hose through this, then the nut goes over that. Well, actually, I put the nut on first, then I put the sleeve on through the hose. Put the hose inside. That little deal right there. Put the hose inside that motherfucker. And then I tighten the nut down and it'll crush this bad boy on there. Try to get what I'm talking about. So we got this tacked up. It's good to go. It dry pretty fast. So I'm gonna attempt to do it with one hand. Told you I suck at recording. I'm all over the damn truck. I ain't worried about getting no paint over this. These hoses and nothing. So I'm gonna order me some new shits. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go grab me another can. I might have some in there, but I don't think it's white. What up? Day 5 with the Peterbilt. Just a quick little recap. As y'all know, I tore the interior down and discovered that I had some water leaks yesterday. And I had one of my partners run some water on the outside while I lay down the inside, and water was getting through the heater box. And right there where the gas pedals and stuff at, well, so the gas pedal where the steering column was at on the firewall. But I'm turning the camera around let y'all check it out. Alright, so like I said, you know, this painted, you can see the flow kind of semi-gloss, whatever, let you know that got a little bit of protecting on it. But I had a leak. You see that sunlight? Yep, that's where my leak was coming from. And you can tell where it's running from, right there along that wall where it's black at. Right there where that stud sticking out. That's where the water's leaking out at. And then down up in there, you can kind of see, you can see the flow. I'm not too sure if that's a hole that'll leak in the inside. Maybe, maybe not, but I'm probably throw some tape over. I ain't gonna cover it up because I might have to utilize it. Like I say, where it was leaking at on the driver's side, you can see those. You can see right in there inside. Yep. So those are 2 holes. Then I want to say, oh man, I got this field face zoom. I want to say it's a hole right there. There's another hole somewhere else. Can't remember where it was at, but there was one. That was the main hole right there. Them 2 right there, but water trickles down from in there. And I'm gonna have to double check and make sure that it ain't no more. But maybe that could stop if water. If I had that little water seal, the weather stripping right there. But other than that should be it. Like I said, you can see the outside right there. There got 2 holes up there. Surely. Go check and see what that is. What it do? All right, today, so what I got going is, of course, you know, like I said, been tearing the Peterbilt apart. Probably wondering what I'm doing with this piece of wood. So basically, in the sleeper, the mattress sit on top of this wood. And the last board was all rotted out and stuff. I'll show you. That board all rotted out. It's been wet. It's warped. Plus it's holding the smell too, the odor. So this fresh wood oughta help inside the truck smell a whole lot better as well. Which is, it ain't no interior in there anyway, so shouldn't have no issues. But what I'm finna do, I'm finna get my measurements out and cut. Like they say, measure twice, cut once. All right, 86 that way. I almost forgot how wide the thing was. 40. Now I know somebody gonna call me because I'm recording on my phone. Never I always want to put something out.
They ask me why I changed, cause I got a little change. Not cause I noticed y'all niggas switched up, y'all niggas lying. Hey, Jimmy, tell him about the first class trip back and forth across the USA. Been ballin' like the NBA. Y'all broke niggas, y'all just in the way. Hey, free dicks, free legit, free Trent. Yeah, rip Cooley too. And money I trust, if you don't speak that language, I'm like, who is you? Bitch asking me about loyalty, I'm really in my head like stop. My side bitch say she love me, but she really fucking with the ops. I guess it's true what they say about hoes and birds. They out flying fly. I don't trust these soul, these hoes fold in these niggas talk. Better talking cold. Hey, bitch, all in my business. Like, where you at? Shit, where you been? Where you going? Shit, I'm in the streets and that bitch already know. I fell in love like one time, I ain't finna play. That's Brittany Renee. Remember being in the inbox, shooting 3-pointers like I was Clay. Love everything about her, I can't even lie, but sometimes she just pushed me away. I never claim to be picture person. She be aggravated, can't get in her way. Don't ask me how I'm feeling. You really can't handle whatever I'm dealing. I know this money be looking appealing. These hoes wanna cheat, I know it get tempted, but I'm too smart. I wear a glove, shit like O.J. Simpson would. Coperator, alternator, gasket, I be in the hood. Sipping on this liquor, I can't even lie, shit. It got me full of fluid. I'm on fire like lighter fluid. Peach touchdown, yeah, my poly fluid. I ain't your regular digger. Whatever you want, then I'm texting you. Come get a split like a sectional. Everything I spit, it be factual. She be pulling up, stash in the maximum. They say I'm sick, coronavirus. If you're looking for me on the corner problem, niggas try, yeah, they wanna stop. Yeah, it's profit gang, come get a profit, please. Easy. She be like, one day when you gon' change. I can't, cause I'm just laughing to the bank. I'm doing it.